Hello, welcome to my channel Kritika Entertainment. Today I'll discuss about user defined exception in PLSQL. I have already given 4 to 5 videos about predefined exception in PLSQL. Now today I'll discuss what is your system user defined exception. User defined exception means the exception which is defined by user is called user defined exception, and that exception will be manually write the code. Previously you will be find my videos I have uploaded about your invalid number exception and invalid cursor, invalid number and invalid cursor. These type exceptions you only use the keywords that will handle automatically that exception. But now I'll be write the code for about your user defined exception, and I hope you are safe in your home at this COVID-19 period, and also you safe, do not go out from your home. And now I'll be write the program. Before program I'll be understand you. I'll compare with Java, C++ code with PLSQL exception. So if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it. If you have already subscribed, then comment, like and share. So here what we'll do now, I'll be first tell you the concept. Okay, means how to use, because some of you know the C++, some of you know the Java. So it will be better if I'll tell you compare with Java and C++ code. So here I'll be open the 3 notepads because of I have no place to directly teach you through the whiteboard. So my method is what I can understand by using notepad. So my previous videos also I have understand my networking video through the notepad. So it is being popular, and you will find 20 likes are there, and recently 1 dislike is there. But I am happy without whiteboard I can teach you through notepad. Okay, and in this system also I have followed in lab also. So now you see, suppose this is the C++. Okay, the how to write the user defined. This is suppose Java. Okay, and this is also PLSQL. Okay, so suppose here when I declare intx, suppose here also declare. Okay, then intx. Okay, then what will happen here? So declare. Okay, all of you being knows about x number. So the thing is what now here, suppose what to write the code in C++ and Java we are using throws keyword, but here we are using range keyword. Okay, so in C++ we are not declare any variable, exception variable. In C Java also not, but in PLSQL you remember I have declared suppose one variable that is called suppose e and divide number. So divide by 0. So div. Okay, what is my exception? Div number. I have declared one variable that is called what? Exception type. Okay, that is called exception type. So okay, this is the divide. Then when I try to divide the number by 0, this exception will be occur because it is declared as exception type. Okay, so in C++, what you writing? Now, you suppose take the input. Suppose you have taken the input. Suppose scanf function. Okay, scanf function you suppose taken ampersand x. Okay, suppose scanf function you have taken ampersand x. So percentage d. Okay, percentage d. Okay, then ampersand x. Same type you have taken two variables x and y, and you will check if y equals to 0. That means you cannot, it is possible to divide the number by 0. So what will write here? Instead of raise, you are what will write? Throw. Okay, you are throwing one object. It is called suppose 5. Okay, if when your y equal to 0, it is the divide by 0 exception or arithmetic exception in Java. So throw 5. Okay, same as here in Java. Do you know how to take the input? X is equal to, you will write integer dot parse in, and will be pass what? Now BR, buffer reader dot read line. Okay, dot read line. All you know better, those are know the Java. You can know the C++, it is also well. If you know the Java, it is also well, because I am focusing here PLSQL exception. Okay, so this will be I will taken. Okay, then what will write here? Will be write here what? Now if. Okay, if same type you will take the input as y. If y equals to 0, then what will write here? Now throw. Suppose here the pass one object. Suppose here will pass the suppose my exception. Okay, because though it is user defined exception, so you will be create your own class. So this is new my exception. But in PLSQL, what will write here? Will be take the variable as input x equal to ampersand x. Okay, then y is equal to same as input of ampersand y. Okay, then here write if. Okay, if y equals to 0 in single equals, then what will write here? No need throw like as in C++ and Java. Here which keyword you have to use? Raise. Okay, then which type exception will be want to throw? div number. If your error will be y equal to 0, then which exception name will be mentioned here? Number. That means when your y equal to 0, then raise div number. That means my exception will be thrown into this variable. This variable is declared as exception type. So then, okay, this type will throw. Otherwise, you can also display the result. Suppose z is equal to x by y. Okay, then print z. Okay, print z. Same also here also you can write also what? Z is equal to x by y. Okay, then same also here also write. If it is not, then you can type also and if. Okay, and here also print the result. Okay, then z is equal to what? X by y. Okay, then same. What is the concept here? It is also center. Okay, then next in C++, what to write here? Now you are going to be write here. Okay, and then it will be right inside the which block? Now suppose try block. Okay, then inside write the try block. But here also you will be right inside the try block. Okay, try block. Okay, and then it will be closed. Okay, then here also you will be right in the here you cannot write in the try block. It will not write like as normal. Then here you will be write the what? Catch block. Then you remember which type variable you will be send 5 is integer, so it should be declared here int, so that it will be match or compatibility. Suppose I will declare it a p. Okay, then inside the p what will declare as printf, sorry, cout. So though it is a C++, so here you write the your what is next scene. Okay, so in what will write here, see how divide now is not possible. Divided by division by 0. Okay, not possible. Not possible. So excuse for I have declared here what next scanner. So here also will be write the catch. Okay, in catch block what will declare my exception. Okay, which type exception you have thrown? My exception. So inside my exception will be same as write the what throw statement. What is the throw statement? Na division by 0 is not possible. Here is also type here. Okay, I'll do it copy and same thing will be pasted. And what will do here? What will do write here? Now you will be write. Okay, this is clear. Then here instead of catch block will be write what? Now when in the exception block will be write. Here is not catch block. Here is the exception block. Exception block same as your catch block. So here will be defined when. Okay, when what is write the div number. What is your exception variable name? Div number. Okay, when this is the user defined exception. So div number, then will be write dbms. Okay, then output. Okay, dot code underscore line. Okay, what will print here? Will be print the same message here. Okay, then not possible. And you remember here we will not give the single quotation is allowed. Okay, this type it will be right. Okay, then what to write? N keyword it will be there. Okay, this is the I want to tell you again. Instead of throw in what now in PLSQL you write the range, and here also give the user defined variable div number like I declare the exception type. Okay, then in the exception block you will write when div number, then blue. Okay, so now I'll be going to the practical. I hope you have understand well. So before again I will tell you, if you are new to my channel then subscribe it. If you have already subscribed then comment, like and share. So now I'll be do the practical. So before practical I enlarge my font, suppose 72. Okay, then I think that it will be better. So here write the clear the screen. Okay, then here write G edit G sub ed. Okay, what is the my etc exec one dot sql. Okay, so it will be started. I will cancel it because of what? Now I will be ed. Okay, D drive. I want to put this location D drive exec one dot sql. Okay, SQL. Yes. So now I will write the program. Use just check. Okay, what to write? Now suppose declare first is what is the declare. Then we will declare x number. Okay, then y number. Okay, then y is the number. Y will declare the number. Okay, so then okay, then z is the number. Okay, then what will declare? Now I will write the begin. Okay, so another variable I have forgotten to declare, that is called what? div number. Okay, exception type. Then begin will be right. Okay, then I will take the input as x equals to ampersand x, then y. Okay, is equal to ampersand y. Okay, then what to write here? Now if, okay, if x y equals to 0, then okay, what to write? Reg div number. Okay, reg div number. So give the semicolon, then write the end if. It will be If ui is 0, then it will be generate the exception. Okay, then close it. Then what will write here? I'll be declare the result z equals to, okay, then x by y. Then dbms output dot port underscore line. Okay, then I'll declare the result z. Okay, then what will begin? Then we'll write the exception block. Okay, exception block. Okay, in the exception block, what will write here? Now when div, okay, when div number, then I'll be print this message dbms, okay, output dot port underscore line. Okay, put underscore line. I'll print this message. Division by 0 is not possible. Okay, division by 0 is not possible. So here I'll be what? Now close this and I'll be write the end. Okay, then I'll be save this. I think you have understood this program is very easy. So close this. Okay, then I'll be compile this. So @d colon double backslash exec1.sql. okay, then see not connected. Okay, CONN connect. Then what will write? Suppose my username and my password I have written. Okay, then after it will be connected, then again I'll press clear screen. Then again I'll be try to run this. You see, x I have taken suppose 5, y suppose 2. Okay, procedure successful but not displayed. So you have to write a set server, okay, out port on. Okay, then your SQL server, your PLSQL server is on. Now I can execute this program. So before that I'll be clear the screen. Okay, then CLSCR. Okay, then you see what is the output. Suppose here I will give the front slash, suppose 6, then you enter 2. Okay, then result is you can display here. It is the 3. Again I'll be clear the screen. Okay, then again I'll run this program. Then check what will happen. So enter the x value is suppose 6, y value is 0. Then you check whether exception is generated or not. So you can display division by 0 is not possible. Okay, this is the simple PLSQL UG define exception. So I am to tell you, if you are new then subscribe it. If you are already subscribed then like and comment how is my program, whether it is understand to you or not. So another thing is what I want to tell you, another technique here. Suppose in PLSQL, what will happen? Then is there any technique without writing this exception block? Okay, I want to remove this exception. I have no need because I have no time to write this exception. So I will remove it. Is there any technique so that exception will be displayed without exception block? And second thing, this exception should be displayed with my error number and my error message. So yes, there is a technique, one technique that is called RAGE application, okay, error. This is the one type of predefined method which take the what error number with what error message, and this message is the defined by user. So what is the error number range? Error number range is minus 20,000 to okay minus 20,999. Okay, this is the error message. Okay, so here you can, without using catch block, you can use this, and when error will occur, there your program will be terminated. So here you will be, where you write this condition, you will write instead of range division number, you write this function. So you check here. I will write here. Okay, I will write here ED. So you will be right, give here. Okay, I'll be remove this. Okay, I'll be remove this, and okay, I'll be remove this. Okay, I'll be just only copy this line. Okay, I'll be just copy this line and remove this. Okay, remove this. So here you can write directly reg application error. Okay, so here you give the error number. What is 20,000 to 20,999. So here write 20,000 suppose 222, and this is the minus. Okay, I have told you this is the minus. So I want to teach you that whether it is I have defined minus or not. So yes, this is the 20. Okay, so here I'll be minus 22. What is the error message? My error message I have printed here. Okay, so division by 0 is not possible. So then I will save this. Okay, and I will be run this and see whether it is running or not. So I will go to this. Okay, then clear the screen. Then I will be again compile this. Okay, you see. Okay, on flag, enter the value, suppose 4 and 2. So encounter simple end. Okay, acha. Then what will it do here? Open the program. Okay, so it is. Okay, and so here dbms and if, then what will do here? You will not given the semicolon here, so you will be put the semicolon. Okay, then I will save this, then again close, then again run this. Okay, then check whether it is working or not. Okay, so /, then 6, then 2. Okay, 3. Then again I will run this program. Okay, so before that I will clear the screen. Okay, then see. Okay, then I run this. So I have entered 4 and I have entered 0. Okay, and what is my error number? My error number is what? Now over 20,222 and division by 0 is not possible. So I think you have understood. This is a simple easy dependent exception field school. It is very much simple compared to Java and C++. So we hope you have understand well. So if you have understand, then comment, like and share. Okay, bye, thank you.